Hey, I'm Krista from K Music and Design, and I know I haven't been putting out very many teaching videos, lesson videos about music, or any sheet music tutorials recently. So I am going to be creating a productivity board game, and I have some styrofoam little big pieces here. It's going to be a massive board game, and some paper, pencil, ruler to make it nice and neat. And I'll get started with the design and check in a few seconds. And I'm back, and I have the first little bit all kind of sorted out here, and it's really, really hot, so there's a fan going on in the background there, and a little doggy. And that's Kiki on Kiki's underscore adventures 88 over on Instagram if you'd like to check her out. But right now, let's take a look at the first piece of the gaming puzzle. Whoops, hold on, let's switch this. There you go. So here is the first piece. That's this one of the smaller styrofoam pieces. I kind of have what I'd like laid out. So there's 5 of that size of pieces, like the jungle, sea, color, ice and fire, and nature as the theme of the pieces. And then there's these 2 bonus pieces, which I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with yet. I have party and clocks as the theme, and the party is whenever I complete a goal, and the clocks one is when a task is completed, but I will figure that out as we go. So this is the jungle theme, and this is a little butterfly here that it's kind of just the template for right now. I'll make it a little more epic later. So here's where we start whenever we get onto this specific map piece. And then it goes this way, all the way up past the monkey, back down like this, past the tiger. And I have toucan, but I really like the bird that has this. So I might do a mix of a toucan with the cool beak, and then whichever bird that is, comment below if I don't have it created yet by the end of this video. Or comment below what type of bird that is, or what type of bird I should create it into. And then we go this way, this way, this way, and we have a nice little froggy there. And it goes all the way back to the start, so we can be stuck on this map forever. Or I think it's going to be this piece right here that tells you to go to a different map piece. And I will be creating that one next. Here's the under the sea map piece. So where's our start? There's the start. Start is right here, right beside the seahorse, which I obviously forgot how to draw without any picture to draw from. And let's go to the right again. Going right and then down past the seahorse's tail, all the way around and up by this kind of coral that I forgot what it looks like as well, so I will take a look. Up and over and by this crab, which I think I remember what a crab looks like. Down, around, up past the somewhat sketchy looking dolphin here, which hopefully it'll look kind of cute when I am done with it, and back around, down the squiggles, back to the start. And again, one of these spots will be the spot that tells you that you can go to, I forgot to close that, another map. Here we have the 3rd map of the game puzzle piece, So we're gonna start, always gonna go to the right for this game, and we go right around the green little section, going to the yellow section, to the red, and then up and around to the purple, and it blends into the blue. Back to the start, and as always in all of my little map pieces there will be a spot to say go to another map, and I think I'm gonna have specific cards that will tell you which one. So yeah, I have 2 more puzzle pieces of the map game to put together, and then I will start figuring out what is going to be on each of the little squares. I have a few ideas. Make sure you wait and find out. And here's piece number 4, that fire and ice, or ice and fire, ice at the top and fire at the bottom. So we start here, always go right, and up those jagged fire pieces, or pathway, and then down the slippery slopes, up by the icicles, and then down where the fire is, and then back to the start. Final theme piece of nature. So here's the start, and we go back to the right. Continue. Nope, we just go to the right, just like all the other ones. And these are daisies, and I'll add some more when I make it a little bit more epic. We go down here, zoop around to see the flower pots kind of there, up to the bee, the tulips, and some wheat for Saskatchewan, because I live in Saskatchewan. And back around down here, and back to the start. And one of these 2 pieces, since they're a little bit different than the rest, I am going to make those ones the ones that jump from board to board. Awesome, so that is the 5 pieces of the game puzzle, except for the bonus 2, which I will be doing pretty soon. So if it's not in this video, it will be in the next video, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out.